So I'm up almost $700, and on this I'm back to the maximum loss limit. I still have like 150, so it's good. Okay, so I took 4 trades today, but the trade limit hit because I added to a position. So I will explain them. I won one. I no, not won one. Sorry, one break even, 2 wins, and then 1 loss. So I'll explain them now. So the first trade that I took was over here. Let me show you. If we go back to the 1 minute, so we had London low over here of open. So before anything happens, hopefully it doesn't glitch. So before anything happens, okay, this is open. So what do we have? We have London high, London low, and we saw previous day low. So okay, so we saw the space to the downside. Okay, and then okay, we create this fair value gap over here. I still didn't enter. I didn't like how we tapped into it. Okay, the first trade, I'll show you it. It was on 30 second. Okay, I didn't like how we just barely tapped it. I didn't like that. Now I wait a little bit. Just wait. Okay, now. So now we respect it, and then we start to split downside. Here comes the 30 second. Over here. So, as I was saying, we had this. We had this over here. This was a quick scalp, by the way. I didn't risk much on it. I didn't do anything much on it. My entry was over here. My stop was over here. And then, yeah, this was a trade. This was the trade. Even maybe a bit less, like this. And then this was the trade. I didn't take screenshots. I forgot to take screenshot for all the trades. I don't know what happened. Yeah, this was the first trade. Our target was London low, okay, over here, and then as you can see it takes it out. Okay, so this was the first trade. After that, there is nothing down there. There's only the monthly fair value gap, which is I'm not gonna target something unless we're really close, which we are close to it, but still, like, we already tapped into this, so this is like a breakaway gap. Okay, so so after that we start consolidating. I still didn't touch anything until okay, so what happened is my loss is so stupid, it pissed me off. This was my loss over here. Where is it? Where was it? I'm trying to see where my loss was. Okay, this was my loss. It pissed me off. I was targeting the 15-minute gap over here. Targeting this 15-minute gap. Let me just remove this. I was targeting this 15-minute gap. So I enter over here. After, what do? Sweep this. Also, I was in a short. I will show you guys now. I got sort of break even. Okay, so I was here just targeting a 1-to-1. So I was supposed to go break even over here, but then I held and then I got stopped. So this like annoyed me a little bit. Okay, then this was, where's 10? So I was in a trade short, like I wanted to see us sweep this again. I got sort of break even. It was something over here. Yeah, over here. Once we got really close, I just moved to break even, and then I got stopped over here, break even. So this was the loss over here, and then this was the break even, and then this was the win. Okay, so I saw that we didn't really take this 15-minute. Okay, we didn't have SMT. I saw that we didn't really take it. So we started displacing to the downside. I waited for a little bit of a retracement, and then I entered over here. Like once it was going down, my stop was over here, and then it was like this. It just hit directly, and yeah, that was a trade. Maybe I might have ended over here. It was just a quick trade. Even it was like maybe a bit of a negative RR. Like I'm not really sure, but yeah, that was a trade. Those are the four trades. They aren't the best highest quality trade. I'm not gonna lie. It just I just want to like get it over with. I just want to pass the accounts. That's why. But like I'm trying to take good trades. But like even if they're not A plus, which I know that they aren't the best, because for example, I can literally show you right now one A plus setup over here. We swept, we came back down, and then we had this 15-minute. This would have been a really nice play over here. Stop over here, targeting a 1-to-1. This would have been really nice, and then even over here, we came back to sorry, from here till here, from here till here. Oh my days, I can't even put a freaking Fibonacci. Right, okay, from here till here we tapped into the 0.618 and then started displacing. Could have entered over here, stops would have been under here, and then targeting a 1-to-1. And especially that we still have London high, which I don't think that we still took, but yeah, we took it out. But yeah, price action this month hasn't been really the best. Like whether it says six trades. Oh, I think I added twice. I'm not really sure. Um, price action hasn't been really the best, but still everybody and the strategy. Like yeah, at times the price action isn't really that good, but still, you know, if you have a good strategy and stuff, um, like it will work. And one thing is that during June, July, August, price action isn't really the best. It's known and everything. So I don't think like if people trade like 2R and 3R, like I don't think that they're getting much hits on it. Like it's not hitting their TP much, especially on like in those months. But everybody and their strategy, they know the best. I'm not really sure, but this is how I trade. And yeah, we're up almost 700. Hopefully I'll be able to pass this account soon before the 7th. I'll probably be able to, hopefully. And yeah, I still have like 2 weeks, so almost 2 weeks, so it's fine. So yeah, um, yeah, hopefully you guys like the video, and yeah.